Getting ready to do the AIGMUX new grill for the Bronco. Just got it off of Amazon. Gonna try and install it and see how it goes. And gonna do an unboxing now. Don't worry about the dog. You know Broncos and dogs go hand in hand. Alright. Here we go with the unboxing. Pretty well packed. So far, let's see how. Comes with the letters. Oh, that's interesting. They appear to be silver. So that's interesting. Silver letters now for the grill. Not sure that'll go with my Bronco. I may paint them. I may paint them to bronze since I've been using some bronze on the Bronco. So that's something I do. Oh, we've got the letters here. Instructions, which I've seen quite a few videos already on YouTube of how to change the grill. This is my first time trying to change the grill out. And then the grill itself. So it's got a bunch of letters in here, I guess, for you to customize your own way, whatever you want your Bronco to say, because there's there's a lot of different letters here. Have to see what all's included. Let's see. I mean, let's take a look, right? So we have what I think is probably an I, R. We got an O. We need that one. Probably need two of those. We got the B. We've got a U, right? Or it could be an N. Got the A, X, the M. So I guess they give you the letters for their logo, for their brand. We've got a camera bracket. We've got the C, the G. So I guess they give you AIG, right? Is that the AIGMUX? I guess they give you those letters, and then they give you Bronco letters. So you could go with either or. They also give you the electrical kit, because this has some daytime running lights, kind of like Raptor style with 3 in the middle. But then the cool thing is it's got 2 longer strips of light on the sides that we'll take a look once it's installed, see how it goes with the Bronco. And then of course a little wire kit, electrical tape, screws, brackets, etc. Looks like maybe some wire holders. Seems to be a really well thought out pack, and that's all that's in there. So now let's get the grill opened up. See what it looks like. Again, pretty well packed. In here we've got the wiring already done, and again some pretty good packing, protecting all the plastic clips. Nothing appears to be broken. And here is the grill. Alright, so you can see it's got the amber lights here, and then it's got these extra strips which are kind of smoked, so you can't really see them. That's cool. I was worried about that. So they're kind of smoked out here. Very clean look. I'm debating whether or not to use them. According to the description, they can be white or they can be amber to match these three lights. So we'll see what it looks like. And then it's kind of like a heritage style, different new style, because it's just squared out openings. I'm going from Outer Banks. My Outer Banks obviously has the circular ones, like I think the Big Bend. Not a lot of people like that one. They usually swap out for like the Badlands or of course that Raptor, the fake Raptor grill. I'm gonna go out with this one and see something different. May not use these, may even consider something with this. I don't know. So I've used reflective tape in the past on prior vehicles. I might do like a strip of reflective black tape. It'll be kind of cool at night. And then the finish is really nice. It's a smooth finish, and the color, I'll have to compare it to like the fenders to see, and the bumper, see if it matches a little better. Obviously the only gloss black I have on my Bronco is the Outer Banks grill, so, well, the wheels also, but gonna see if this maybe ties in a little better with my Bronco. So there you go. That's the unboxing. All right, that rattle you hear is my plasti dip. I'm gonna paint the letters before I put them on, because you have to put them on first before installing the grill, and I don't like this silver. I have accents of this bronze already on the Bronco with those Outer Bank grill inserts and my wheel rings, so it'll be another piece that matches. All right, so a couple of coats on the Bronco letters. Starting to remove my bumper guard. I had to take off my camera housing on the Outer Banks, and it's very easy. A couple of screws. Again, there's some videos online that you can see, but a couple of screws to come out, and then the whole thing comes out. And then of course what I noticed was my Outer Banks housing is a glossy black, and of course the grill is not, but they provide you a replacement. Plus you can use this if your Bronco doesn't have a camera and you want to add one, like let's say you got the Wolf Box or some other kind of camera that you want to add, then they give you a mount for you to put into your grill so that you can use that. But I'm going to replace my glossy one with the satin finish one that matches the grill that I'm going to put on. There we are. Kind of had to switch my bull bar out because it completely covered up these marker lights, which was the point. So put my other one up. Had this one for a while, just hadn't installed it yet. It is all amber. And here it is with the white and amber. I think I like the amber more, but the cool thing is you can just turn it off also and just hang on to these three markers. It's the white. See how it looks at night. Do another video with some night shot. And yeah, that's the AIGMUX Bronco Grill. I definitely like the grill. Alright, here we go with a little bit of a nighttime view. Alright, that was the white. I've switched it over to amber now.